With that, we shift our attention now to what's happening within the TMC, because the troubles for Mamata Banerjee are only mounting. And it's not just in West Bengal, but it's also in the national capital, because the rebel TMC MPs, or the MPs from what they call now the Asli TMC camp, are currently at the residence of the Union Minister Bhupender Yadav. Senior rebel MPs, including Kakuli Ghosh, Dastidar, Sudeep Bandyopadhyay, Jagdish Barma, as well as Sayoni Ghosh, are currently at the Union Minister's residence. In fact, we are breaking updates now coming in. Sources tell Times Now that the rebel TMC MPs will reach Banga Bhavan in the national capital after the meeting at Bhupender Yadav's residence, and from there the rebel MPs will head to the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla's residence, where they're expected to submit a letter of support. Big development coming in that the MPs, the rebel MPs currently in a meeting with Bhupender Yadav, are going to head to the Lok Sabha Speaker to have a meeting with him today. So what's expected is that TMC are now going to give the letter of support. Sources say that after this meeting ends, they are going to formally submit a letter of support. And this would be a huge setback for Mamata Banerjee. Already a defeat in West Bengal, and now in the numbers in the parliament as well. They don't seem to favor Mamata Banerjee, with almost 2/3 of the TMC MPs now extending their support. Now, the meeting is currently underway at the Union Minister Bhupender Yadav's residence. Remember, this is the second meeting that's taking place. Today, the West Bengal Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari is not part of the meeting, but they are all currently at the Union Minister's residence. My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Pragya, this is a big update. The rebel MPs are going to go to the Lok Sabha Speaker today and submit their letter of support.
Absolutely. In fact, they are going to go away from Mr. Bhupender Yadav house to Bang Bhavan, where they all will, sit together and also, plan the move also, and also look at the letter which they are going to submit today itself to Mr. Om Birla, who is Lok Sabha Speaker. We are expecting them here around 7:30 is the time that we have been given, that they will be coming here in person, submitting their letter. All 20 of them, having signed the letter of forming a Asli TMC party that they are claiming. They are saying that the TMC is their own and they are not the rebel camp. They are going to come here. We were expecting them to submit that letter tomorrow at the office of Mr. Om Birla, but we are given to understand that all of them have decided to do it today itself. And in fact, Mr. Sudeep Bandyopadhyay has also spoken about it, that they are going to do it today itself, and they are going to come here to submit that particular letter in person. This way, they will also be present in flesh and blood. They are going to be present here while they hand over that letter, particular letter to Mr. Om Birla, forming their separate, group within the parliament, and also maybe a line of support to NDA is what we are given to understand. We all are waiting for them to come here from Bang Bhavan, where they are going to, be there together, and they are going to come here very soon. We are given to understand that the political fight between various camps is increasing right now, and to avoid any sort of confusion, they are going to seal it with the letter that they are going to give it to Mr. Om Birla.
Okay, all right, stay with us. We have more breaking updates now coming in. Top sources have told Times Now that MPs from the Mamata Banerjee camp, Kirti Azad and Sagarika Ghosh, will meet the Lok Sabha Speaker in just a short while from now. Sources say both the leaders are heading to submit a formal petition before the Speaker amid the escalating political developments. Let's take this across to Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast. So Sabyasachi, later today the rebel MPs are expected to meet the Speaker, but before that, those who are backing Mamata Banerjee are also going to meet the Speaker. What is this petition about?
Well, see, Pratibha, Mr. Kirti Azad as well as Sagarika Ghosh are en route to meet Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. They are about to reach any time from now at the residence of Mr. Om Birla, the Lok Sabha Speaker. Though they have not got an appointment, but they are trying to sort an appointment from the Lok Sabha Speaker. They will be reaching his residence any time from now, and they say that since they are member of Parliament, most likely immediately they will be allowed to meet the speaker, and they would be submitting a formal petition. Now the Trinamool Congress has been levelling allegation against the rebel MPs, against the Kakoli Dostidar-led faction. Now my sources tell me that there was a trump card on the Mamata Banerjee establishment side, because Mamata Banerjee had the option to suspend all the rebel MPs whose name was coming out. But right now they are heading to the Speaker's office to submit a formal petition, what we are learning from the sources. And any time from now, both Sagarika Ghosh as well as Mr. Kirti Azad, who are standing with the former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, they have made it clear that we will be standing with the real Trinamool Congress, where Mamata Banerjee is. That Trinamool Congress is the real Trinamool Congress, and they have been saying that these MPs won the polls on the ticket of the Trinamool Congress on the face of Mamata Banerjee. So now they should resign from their post and contest the poll on the ticket of the Bharatiya Janata Party, is what the MPs from the Mamata Banerjee establishment has been claiming. But very big development is expected to take place. It will be a direct showdown of the Mamata Banerjee establishment versus the rebel MPs of the Trinamool Congress, because later in the day the rebel MPs was expected to meet the speaker and submit the letter. But earlier the Trinamool Congress MPs Kirti Azad as well as Sagarika Ghosh are now heading to the speaker's residence in the national capital to submit a formal petition to the speaker.
Okay, all right. Hectic developments, fast-paced developments taking place. What's going to happen next? That's the question. Pragya and Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us. We come back to you for those updates. For now, very quick break here. We'll be right back.